Hello everyone, and welcome to Wilson in the Family Kitchen. Today we are going to be making dog biscuits, and if you are wondering, yes, this is a pet special. Thanks for coming. So first up, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees on bake. Okay, so now we're going to add every single one of our ingredients. That includes 2 eggs. And yes, by the way, the dog biscuits are completely edible to humans, so you could also just make this to prank your friend. Next up, we're going to add peanut butter, just 2 tablespoons. You're gonna love this koi. You're gonna love this koi. You are going to love it. She's already coming here. She's interested. Next up, half canned pumpkin. Last little bit. Get in there. Okay, that's a lot of pumpkin. Anyways, next up we're going to do 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour, not white flour because that's bad for dogs. A lot of flour. Anyways, next up we're going to do half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Next up, a tablespoon salt. Wait, no, it's half a teaspoon. And next up, we're going to mix it all together. There's so much flour. It's harder and harder the more you mix. We're gonna grab all of our dough and squish it. Squish it. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's ready to roll. So now we're gonna roll it out so that it's at least half an inch thick. Getting harder every time. Now we're gonna cut the cookies, dough biscuits I should say, like that. Now just because I want to, just poke a little hole too. That's one biscuit. Next one. Oh. That's actually pretty good. So now we're going to put them all on the lined baking sheet. We're going to cook for about 45 minutes, maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less. Supposed to be crispy. I kind of want to just give Puppy Dog one right now. What? Okay, so now everyone. But now we're going to put our dog biscuit into the oven, which is at 350. And we have a lot of cookies. So Hawaii, you're gonna be stocked up on cookies. Let's just wait like 45 minutes. Let's check our cookies. So now we have dog biscuits. That is almost all for today. Almost, because we still have to feed the dog and I have to try one. Hello everyone, now we're gonna have, after they've cooled, we're now gonna have the dog try one. Take one. Now I try one. Not as crunchy as I actually thought. Oh, this is actually pretty good. Well, now we're going. On this next one, you're gonna have to do a check for the viewers. You. Lay down. Go go. Yeah, that is all for today on this day's pet special. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're almost to 200. Let's do this. Now what can you go on? Echo. Stop. That was embarrassing.